Student, we are on cloning vector. Concept of the cloning vector, as I told you, in the tools we are going to study in the next topic, that is cloning vectors. So student, what do you mean by vectors? First, concept of the vector asks for 1 mark in board exam. Student, vectors are the organism or their part which has capability to carry foreign DNA or gene and have ability to multiply in the host cell, like you have seen in the construction of our DNA molecule. So let us define, student, cloning vector or vector. Cloning vector is what? Organism. It is organism or its part that can carry foreign DNA or foreign gene and have ability to multiply where? In host cells. Student, clones are nothing but the multiple copies. So they have ability to multiply in the host cells like E. coli, Escherichia coli, or any prokaryotes. Now, what are the important features of an ideal or good cloning vector? Can be asked for 2 marks. So you should know at least 4 postulates. So first importance of an ideal cloning vector is it should be easy to isolate. Student, vector should be easy to isolate. You can easily isolate it from the donor body. Then it should be small in size or smaller in size. Vector should be smaller in size. What is the logic behind this, student? Because if the vector DNA duplex is larger, or if any carrying organism is larger, it can be broken during the experiment. So it should be smaller in size. Third, student, very important, it should have polylinker sites. It should have polylinker or multiple cloning site. In 2020, polylinker definition was asked in compulsory. So what do we mean by polylinker that I am writing here? Polylinker site is what, student? It is unique recognition site for restriction enzyme. Means restriction enzyme, like this is a cloning vector or plasmid. So it should have this polylinker site which can be easily recognized by any enzyme, restriction enzyme, where the foreign gene can be inserted. So this is polylinker site. Then student, next one is number 4. It should have origin of replication, ORI. It should have origin of replication. Student, origin of replication is that point where the multiplication of DNA starts. Then student, it should have marker gene. Good or ideal cloning vector has marker gene. Student, what do we mean by marker gene? That I will explain you here. Student, marker gene is that part in the DNA which helps us to recognize the transformed cell. Site, marker gene is the site or part of gene that help to recognize transformed cell, whether the cell is modified or not into genetically modified organism. Recognize what, student? It is the site, marker gene is what? It is a site or part of gene that help to recognize transformed cell. Now last point, that is how does it helps to recognize the transformed cell. We are going to study in screening method, that is blue and white method of selection of the transformed cell. This we will study in detail. So there are many features, but at least you should know 4 features. Then you can say that cloning vector, good cloning vector should have one more important feature. Good cloning or ideal cloning vector should have some important elements also, such as, you know very well, in some operons you have studied, it should have operator, regulator and promoter region, promoter gene or region, isn't it? So all these are the important feature of good cloning vector. Let us recap once. What is concept vector, student? Concept of the cloning vector. These are the organism or its part that has capability to carry the foreign gene and have the ability to multiply in the host cell. Then features. It should be easy to isolate from the donor cell. Then it should have smaller size because larger size may be broken. Then third was it should have polylinker site or multiple cloning site. Very important, ask for 1 mark this year. Then that is the unique recognition site where the recognition restriction enzyme recognize and cuts the DNA. Then fourth one is it should have origin of replication where the multiplication of DNA occurs. Fifth one, it should have marker gene. Marker gene is that part of the gene which help us to recognize the transformed cells. Thank you.